the wonder of earth. In the beginning, the earth was formed by the command of the Almighty, a perfect home for mankind. Look around you, and you will see wonders greater than any treasure. The mountains rise like guardians, holding the land firm, their peaks touching the sky. Rivers flow endlessly, carrying life to every corner, quenching the thirst of men, animals, and plants alike. The oceans spread wide, a world within a world, filled with creatures of every shape and color, reminding us of the endless creativity of their creator. Above us, the sky is stretched without pillars, painted with clouds, lit by the sun by day and the stars by night. The moon follows its course, guiding travelers and calming hearts with its silver light. The soil beneath our feet is rich, giving birth to fruits, grains, and trees that feed and shade us. Each seed, hidden in the dark earth, carries within it the secret of life, bursting forth by the will of the Most High. The earth provides balance. The winds carry rain, the rain nourishes the land, and the land returns to us food and beauty. Every cycle is perfect, every detail full of wisdom, and within this earth lies another wonder man himself, created from dust, yet honored with mind and soul. He is the caretaker of this planet, chosen to protect its treasures and respect its harmony. O mankind, do you not see? The earth is not just a place to walk upon. It is a sign, a scripture written without ink, a reminder of the greatness of its maker. Whoever reflects upon its wonders will find gratitude in his heart and faith in his soul. So let the mountains remind you of strength, the rivers of mercy, the sky of vastness, and the soil of blessings. Truly, the earth is a living miracle, a wonder placed in our hands, entrusted to our care, until the day we return to the one who made it.